Hello people. So today I have done something that I don't think I've ever done in my entire life. I don't know if you can tell to start off with because one of them's looking a bit dodgy, but I actually tried applying some false eyelashes for once. So I wanted to do this really colourful, bold look using Bperfect Carnival Eyeshadow palette. This is with Stacey Marie. She's a makeup artist and this is the palette. It looks incredible. And as you will see, the pigmentation's amazing, the quality of the eyeshadows are so good, and I felt like doing another colourful look. So yeah, I had no idea what I was doing. It looks a bit crap at the start, but kind of once everything's blended and once everything is just kind of pulled together, it ended up looking really good. Everything blended really nicely and I just really like this eyeshadow palette. I just really enjoyed doing it. It was a really fun kind of eye look to do and it's a really fun palette to play with as well, so I'm definitely going to do some more looks using it. I know this palette's been out for a while now, but I just wanted to do it now. If you are interested in seeing how I created this, I have no idea what to call this look. It's kind of mermaidy, I guess, but if you would like to know how I created this whole look, then be sure to give the video a thumbs up and just keep watching. Okay, so as you can already see, my base is all done. I just thought I would just do this video just based on the eyeshadow palette. Obviously, I'm going to be using the Carnival palette from Bperfect and Stacey Marie. It looks amazing. I just wanted to do something with the colour today. I just felt like it. First, I'm going to prime my eyes. I'm going to use my P. Louise eyeshadow base. Oh, I don't know what, I kind of want to use blues, but then I want to use pinks, but then I want to use purples as well because look at the palette. I just want to use as many colours as I can. So I think I'm going to maybe start with a purple or something. I'm going to take the shade Wasted, which is the purple. Well, that's very pigmented. Okay, I wasn't ready for that. Okay. So I'm going to use this brush to kind of initially get the pigment on, and then I'm going to take another brush, a more fluffy crease brush, and this is going to hopefully blend it. Oh my god, this is actually blending really nice. Ooh. I have no idea why I went in straight with the purple and didn't even use a transition colour. I have no idea what I just did. I'm going to take a pink though, so I'm going to take the shade Wifey, which is this one here, and I'm going to use this to blend out the edges. So I'm going to use that same fluffy brush that I used, and I'm lightly going to take that just around the edges. Yeah, I kind of wasn't expecting it to be this pigmented. With nothing on, it's just a clean brush, and I'm just gonna really buff out the pink. There we go. See, that blended out really nicely. I kind of want to use a blue. It's gonna go in. It's actually a shimmer shade, which is a bit scary for me, but I'm going to go in with the shade Recharge, this one here, and I'm going to then add that one as well, which is called Sky. So I'm going to take Recharge first, and I'm going to pop it like right up kind of in the crease line just here. Just there. Don't worry, I know it looks strange, Then I'm going to take Sky, which is the bright blue, and then take that there. Wifey again, which is the pink, and just blend the blue and the purple together. I'm just going to use some concealer to cut my crease. And then just kind of blend the lid shades just kind of into the concealer so there isn't like a harsh line. There's no fallout whatsoever, which is like a mega test because I always do my eyes first anyway, but obviously because I was just doing this video just on the palette, I obviously did my face first. So yeah, there's no fallout whatsoever, which is always a good thing. I'm then just going to go around the crease just to redefine it. So I'm going to take Sky, which is the light blue. And then I'm going to go in with Recharge, which was the dark blue. Just in the centre part there. Take a bit of the purple. Then I want to add some more pink to it somehow. Take Wasted again, which is the purple, and add that back in the outer corner. Go over with Wifey, which was the pink. Just in the centre part there. Take the white, it's kind of like a shimmery white, is it? Yeah, it's like a pearly shimmery white. It's called Pink Me, which is that one there. I'm actually, so this is a bit powdery. I'm just gonna press this all over. Oh, it's got kind of like a pink, like duochrome kind of situation. Iridescent, like pink. Ooh, I kind of like that actually. I might wet my brush and then apply it. I'm gonna press it. Wow, okay, so you get more of like the pink duochrome once you've wet it. Take my brush that had the pink on and just run that in between. I might take a bit of Foolish, which is a really light coral pink. Take a bit of that and just add that in the centre just to blend the two together. These blend so nicely. I can't stress it enough. Like it just blends, dude. It just blends. Like Foolish and go around the edges of the inner corner and the brow bone. There's two highlights in the palette. I might take the pinky one, which is called Saint. I'm gonna wet my brush and do it. Just, oh, that's nice. That's nice. For the shock of everyone's life, I am going to just do my eyeliner and stuff, but then I'm gonna apply some false lashes. What I'm gonna go do is eyeliner, mascara, all that. Oh, actually, before I do, I just want to use a coloured eyeliner. This is by Essence. It's the Long Lasting Eye Pencil in Life in Pink. Yes, we did have a slight struggle with the eyelashes, but I mean, you know what? It was the first time I've ever used any, and they kind of scared me. They still look like spiders. They feel like I've got spiders on my eyes. We're all good. I just realised also I didn't even tell you what eyelashes I used. I don't know if this is a thing, but they are from the brand Flutter Lashes. They look like this. So they're by the brand Flutter Lashes, and they're in the style, I guess. Lovable is what they're called. I don't know. I saw Tati talking about these on one of her videos, and I knew that I wanted to get some lashes to try, so I listened to her and I got those. So I don't know if they're any good, but they seemed okay. They applied easy-ish for somebody that has never used any before. But yeah, if you enjoyed today's video, if you did, leave me some comments down below letting me know your thoughts. If you tried this palette as well, let me know. If you haven't and you really like colour, I do really suggest getting it, because as you saw, everything blended so nicely and so easily, and I feel like even for someone starting out with makeup, this is even a good palette to have, even though it's so bold and so colourful. I think because they blend really easily, they kind of blend themselves with whatever brush you're using. I'm gonna stop rambling and I'm gonna leave, but thank you again so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.